Is this the best new way to serve pizza? That's a non-issue. Thanks.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make naan-bread pizza. It's a new and fantastic way to eat a pizza pie. Pizza pie. Pizza.
Pizza.
Is this recipe gluten-free? No, but technically it's naan bread. Let's get to it. First up, let's get saucy. 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 First, you'll need a space helmet or a bowl. Who's your favorite Sailor Guardian? Mine is Sailor Mars. Oh no. Never running from the real fight. She is the one named Sailor Moon. You're a f***ing nerd. Get yourself some San Marzano tomatoes. Ha! 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 4 San Marzano tomatoes. Make sure you get San Marzano tomatoes. You don't want San Quentin tomatoes. He's an angry little tomato. Moving on. I'm gonna add in a pinch of oregano. Ooh. I'm also gonna do a pinch of garlic powder. Ooh. Little frushy doovie. Pinch of kosher salt. Yes, good. Aw, olive you. A little drizzle of olive oil. The doctor is in. Now use your hand toes to mix the sauce. Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Oop.
What have I done?
We're making tomato sauce, it's fine. Why are pizzas so good at cheerleading? Because they're full of pep-aroni. Pep-aroni, the San Fernando treat. It's a dolphin. You got your tomato sauce right here. Now I'm gonna show you my secret naan-bread hack in case you don't have a tandoor oven. Thank you. Perfect. Why did the Indian restaurant fire their head chef? Because he refused to sign a non-disclosure agreement. Naan. How can she slap? Oops. Ooh. Get yourself some buffalo mozzarella. It's basically just cheese that you buy at a 7-Eleven in Buffalo, New York. I'm kidding. It's cheese made from pieces of buffalo.
It's made from buffalo milk. Stop spreading misinformation.
Slice your mozzarella. Ella. Hey. Hey. Pizza. Pizza. Put some of that tomato sauce on here. Beautiful. I'm a basil bitch. A little bit of basil, because basil's good. It's basilically the best herb. I'm gonna microplane a little bit of parmegiano regiano on here, just a little bit. Extra cheese is always a good idea.
Always a good idea.
And then I'm gonna put on, now put on your mozzarella. Ella, A. Little frischles. Just a little drizzle of olive oil. A little bit of finishing salt on top because it's pretty. Now put it in the oven. So it's gonna be about 10 minutes at 400. Why was the pizza bullied in high school? Because he was a bit doughy. And he also had a lisp. Pizza, pizza. Never running from a real fight. Here's the one named Sailor. Never turning back on our friends. Always there to the end. I'm a hungry, hungry hippo. Pull out your pizza. Oh, that's a pretty. A little more fresh basil on top because fresh basil is delightful. It's basically a margarita pizza except on naan bread. Just like that. Whoop. Ooh, oh boy. Oh boy. So good. You don't need much in life, guys. Ninja Turtles know what's up. This is perfect. Pizza's so good. If you're having a bad day, just make pizza. You're beautiful. Oh, all gone. Wait. Bye, friends.